All right, got a Tom Ford Calder sunglasses here. Got a pair. From the actual website. All right, so. Ooh. It's a little envelope. So let's see what's in that. Well, yeah, thank you for purchasing an authentic Tom Ford eyewear product. That is all it says. There it is. Whoa. Okay, it's like Calder 1205. Okay, what is... Yeah, TF 1205. There we go, ECO, O1A. 5, 5, 17, 145, and 3. That's what that side says. Now this side, if it focuses, 2. C2 Tom Ford made in Italy. CE UK CA. Here they are on the face. The Calders. You can see the eye through. And there's like a gold on the side. I think they're slightly big on me, but man, I don't know. I like the way they kind of fit though. Yeah, the Calders, I like them.